Okay, welcome to my course project for the Technology in the Curriculum course. My project's called Reading for Real Life. As you can see, it's a clearinghouse of different resources for readers and writers of literature and contains a number of different links to tools for learning, for project building, for collaboration, and for games, and for all of the different kind of facets that we covered in our course. At the top we have a header and a contact page where you can email me, and a quick synopsis of kind of what the goal of this site is in terms of its philosophy. The core of the site are these three links, which are Common Lit, Khan Academy, and Newsela. The three of those are resources for activities that involve blended learning and situated cognition. In addition, in this first tab is a site called Course Hero, which students can use as a reference guide, especially students that need more differentiated learning and assistance with comprehension and different literary texts and ways to understand the material. And it's one of the best sites that I've seen around. In the next layer of the site, we have different gaming websites such as Kahoot, learning games for kids, which the site's currently down, but I think it will be up again soon. Quizlet, which is a great resource for vocabulary building, and it has a game component on it, and IXL, which has a lot of different tools for learning grammar and mechanics. Following that, we have a link to ClassFlow where students can join. This is a great site that we discussed in terms of collaboration and model building. There are different features for students to build study guides in very creative ways. My use of video is enhanced by Crash Course series on literature, and it's one of the many different tutorials on YouTube that students can go to get kind of visual aids and animations of literary works. At the bottom we have a link, and I have some of the website posted to the Modern American Poetry site. This is a very great resource for doing research, which the final few pages contain. And this is a site I'm going to be using in an upcoming unit on American poetry, where students can creatively make their own project based on the resources here. Finally, down below I have literary devices and literary terms in the Purdue OWL website. These are also great research tools for students on style guides, on literary devices. NoReading.com is another great customization website for learning grammar and mechanics. And then finally, a couple of links that have that help students analyze film in relation to literature. So the goal of this project is to equip students with a number of different digital resources to engage in reading, both for the literature classroom and for real life, from the level of mechanics and studying to textual analysis and comprehension to research and more kind of in-depth scholarship on literature. Thanks for viewing my video, and I look forward to all of your feedback. Thanks very much.